All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's get this party started. So it's appeal time. All right, it's appeal time, and I know you're wondering what's in Tory Lane's new appeal. Excuse me, in the Megan Thee Stallion case. Well, I found a good summary for us, so we're gonna walk through it. I'm gonna read off the main points, and then I'm gonna give my thoughts about it, and then of course, I'm gonna respond to y'all and whatever y'all got to say. And I might be a little late, you know what I'm saying? My apologies. My apologies if I'm a little late. But anyway, so Tory, he needed to appeal. Like that's what he needed to do. He had to appeal. Like he had no choice. It's either appeal or sit in jail. Like that's it. For like 10 years. I think that's what it is. It's like 10 years. And he might have to I think I think overall he might have to do like 6 or 7, maybe 8 of it, you know what I'm saying? But 10 years is a long time. 6, 8 years is a long time for anybody. So without further ado, let's get into what he did. All right. So Tory Lanez and his legal team, Unite the People, have been working diligently on the upcoming appeal. Uh he filed a writ of corpus Christi, which included new witness testimony. February 26th, lead attorney Crystal Morgan filed a oh yeah, so she I listened to a Twitter space where she was in there answering questions. I was in there for only like maybe 5-10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? But I did get to listen to the lawyer like answer some questions for people. Um to start the Tory appeal process. An appeal represents a crucial stage for individuals seeking a review of the court's decisions. Um Anyway, we don't care about any of that. So there's a 100-page document. It's right here. So look, I went through it. Okay, I went through it, and I'm uh no, no. I went through it, so we don't have to here. These main issues are the main issues. So let's get into them. Main issue number one. Uh, Main issues raised in the opening brief. The objections made about Megan's testimony. Objections were raised concerning Megan's concerning testimony about Megan's emotions on various grounds, including speculation and relevance. The defense counsel objected to the court allowing Megan to testify about her emotions and feelings regarding the incident and its aftermath, arguing that that was irrelevant and would only sway the jury by eliciting sympathy for the victim. Counsel also objected to the introduction of Exhibit 18, a photograph depicting Tory with tattoos, arguing that it was irrelevant and would unfairly prejudice the jury by associating Tory with criminality based on his appearance. Additionally, counsel objected to the use of Megan's testimony about third parties harassing and shaming her, arguing that it was irrelevant to Tory's guilt or innocence and would properly induce collateral wrongful acts of a third party, which is correct. Like what I or you or anybody else thinks about this situation is irrelevant. What matters here is what was actually done to her. Are you freaking kidding me? It actually froze. You gotta be fucking shitting me. All right, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. My apologies. My apologies. I'm back. Man, that thing it freaking froze. It freaking froze right when I was in the middle of talking. Freaking froze. Anyway, what matters most here is as I was saying, uh, dang, I hate when that happens. What matters most here is the facts of the case, not emotions, not extra like things. Cause if it was me, You know what I'm saying? And I was defending myself. I'm like, I'm objecting to all of the things that were mentioned, and they should be like removed because they weren't actually relevant. All right, that's and I mean that's a pretty good argument, but it's not a super strong argument, so I don't expect this one thing to win the day, but it is something that could elicit him getting a new trial. The use of rap lyrics and creative expressions creates prejudice. The use of rap lyrics creative expressions is considered unfair prejudice because it can be interpreted as evidence of a defendant's character or propensity to commit a crime rather than relevant evidence of the specific charges at hand. Rap lyrics and creative forms of expression. Da 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 da. Okay, so look, basically, all of this, all of point number two sums up in one thing and one thing only. All right, they were using rap lyrics. Okay, they were using his rap lyrics against him. All right, they're using his rap lyrics against him. That has nothing to do with whether or not he actually did that or not. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I agree with them. Like it's not like this is not like the Young Thug situation, right? Because Young Thug's lyrics mentioned killing people, and then there were bodies that literally went hand in hand with the lyrics. Even though I'm still against them using the lyrics against Young Thug, it makes more sense to use them against Young Thug because Young Thug was literally telling the story of the dead man. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, whether you agree with it or not, you know what I'm saying? That's what Young Thug was on. That's what Young Thug was on. He was saying that about he was saying like different things that he did that kill people or whatever. However, in Tory Lane's case, like his lyrics aren't like that, and most of the time he's just singing about being with a girl or getting a girl or getting his heart broke. He just singing like you know what I'm saying. He's he's harmless. Like you know what I'm saying. That's the way I see his music. His music is harmless. You know what I'm saying? I don't his music doesn't give me violent. Like it doesn't give it. Um persecution misconduct. The summary of the per, Jesus Christ. I can't talk right now. Persecution persecution. I can't. I give up. I give up. I can't talk right now. Persecution. Anyway, persecution, perse- persecutorial. Yeah. Anyway, misconduct in this case includes several instances of improper conduct by the persecution. This includes making appeals to emotion, using improper arguments, denigrating the defense counsel, in introducing irrelevant evidence, chilling chilling the Tor- chilling Tory's rights to testify. Okay, now here's what happened with chilling Tory's right to testify. Okay, I don't know if y'all remember, but they threatened that if he went up there and testified, that they were going to bring up everything he's ever done in his past that could even be remotely considered violent, like rap lyrics, his thing. And the judge was for it. I'm like, that's not good. Like y'all basically told that man, shut up. You know what I'm saying? Or if you get on the stand and try and defend yourself, we're just gonna assassinate your character, which is insane. Like, just stick to the facts at hand. Like, there's no need to assassinate someone's character over stuff that's not actually relevant. That's just offing somebody and sending them to jail just to do it. Anyway, next thing. All right. So we got showing unfair prejudice based on stereotypes and racial bias, and interfering in Peterson's right to a conflict free counsel through unfounded allegations of bribery against his defense team. Yeah, that was messed up. They literally, he switched out lawyers maybe 2 weeks or a week before his trial. Like, that's tough. That's tough. No lawyer would be prepared under those circumstances. These actions were not only unethical, but also violated Tory Lane's constitutional rights to a fair trial and effective representation. And I would agree. I would agree with that statement. I'm getting this from T with Tia, by the way. Um, then number four, they used the shade room as evidence. Exhibit 40A is an Instagram post that was introduced as evidence during the trial. It contained a screenshot post by a user at Lil Jew made the beat stating this goofy a N-word say he ain't shoot Megan, and they literally have matched bullets from his gun to the ones in her foot. The significance of Exhibit 40A is that it suggests that Tory owned the gun used in the shooting, which contradicts his claim that he did not shoot Megan. This evidence was used to support the prosecution's case against him. However, the owner of the gun was never determined, yet trial attorney did reference this to be Kelsey Harris' gun during the pretrial readiness hearing on December 5th, 2023, and no one objected. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's sick. That's six. Okay, so yeah, what happens after this brief is filed? So the basically the state is gonna get their chance to respond. All right, and then he's gonna get to respond to their response brief. Then there's gonna be some oral arguments, possibly. It just depends on like the court and what they want to do. Then a decision will be made, whether they want to affirm or reverse or do modify it in some. Yeah, they can do a bunch of things in their decision on number 4. Possible further appeals. He could go even higher. That's if they allow it, and the implementation of decision. If the appellate court's decision modifies or reverses the lower court's judgment, the case may be remanded, sent back to the trial court for further proceedings consistent with the appellate decision. The appellate process can be lengthy, and the specific timeline for these steps can vary. Additionally, due to the complexity of Tory's case and court's caseload and other factors, the influence, blah, 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 blah. Tory has maintained his innocence. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, listen, I'm finna go back up here. Where's Tory? Where's Tory? All right. What the fuck? Okay. All right, cool. There he is. All right, there he is on the screen. Oh, you know what? Let me do this. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now he's on the screen. Listen, buddy, I don't know why you never just straight up said like what happened. I don't know how they were able to influence or like basically twist up that man or like whatever the witness, the neighbor that actually saw everything, like his testimony, that was bizarre. Um I want to know what's up with this video that Whack 100 allegedly has, because if that video exists, that needs to be submitted. Like it needs to be submitted in the appeal court. Like it needs to be presented. It needs to come out like ASAP, immediately. It needs to come out. Then if that's the case, or if they're gonna send it back and it's gonna get a new trial, that needs to be introduced. The bodyguard needs to be allowed to give his statement as well. I mean, I don't see, you know what I'm saying, how the bodyguard was allowed to not speak. I think that's a miscarriage of justice in and of itself, because they wanted to delay the trial. And I don't know why Tory didn't go with the, yeah, let's delay this thing and have it go out even longer. You know what I'm saying, and stretch out the process. Um, because he would have had a better chance at winning. It would have gave his defense counsel some more time to like actually like get everything together, get everything in a way that actually makes sense, and put him in a position to actually win. I don't know what he was on. I don't know what he was on or what he was thinking when he did this. I don't know. I don't know that lawyer, because that lawyer, he seemed like he sucked. But anyway, y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section down below. I'm gonna get up out of here. That's pretty much everything. That's what's in it. Um, the rest of the document, it's 100 pages. It's a lot of like mumbo jumbo. It's really those 4 main points. Everything else is kind of just like poking little things here and there, and different other things that happen, and I kind of already spoke about them. So yeah, you were able to get it in about 15 minutes or less. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all so much for watching. Uh, man, forgive the glitch thing that happened. There'll be a new video out tomorrow morning, because I'm trying to do a video a day. And I'm gonna get up out of here. Catch y'all later.